ULTY came out a year ago, and it's been months since we've actually taken a look at it, so let's see where it is now. This video is not financial advice, nor is it a recommendation. Please do your own due diligence before investing into anything. As you can see on this first chart, it is just collapsing right now, and it has been for quite some time. The last few trading days, it looks like it's trying to find a bottom, but it also could go even lower. It doesn't help that the market has been going down as well, so I'm not going to blame this 100% on YieldMax. As bad as this chart on the screen looks, I can show you one that looks even worse because it is more accurate, and that is Seeking Alpha. The major difference in these two charts is the fact that in Webull and most other brokerages, when a dividend is paid out, it actually adjusts all the other figures by that amount for previous parts of the chart. So if you look over here, the highest point previously, its all-time high appeared to be 770 prior to its other all-time high, 777, around February 18th. This is because they're adjusting previous figures with every dividend payout, because I remember distinctly around the time of inception, it did not have a $7 share value. The share price was something more like $20. This chart from Seeking Alpha shows you visually the effects of the NAV erosion since inception. It has been basically just a downward diagonal line. And while I understand the stated objective of this ETF was to pick high-risk stocks to trade against, overpaying in dividends causing NAV erosion is its own separate risk that is not attributable to their stock picks being high risk. Now, to their credit, YieldMax has been willing to make changes to this prospectus and other ETFs along the way in response to investor sentiment. When they realized we hated the idea of a reverse split at any of their ETFs, they were willing to walk that back, at least with ULTY. Since then, they've already heard that we don't like NAV erosion, but they haven't really been doing much about it. In fact, they've done the opposite and recently decided to make ULTY a weekly dividend payer. And while paying weekly is nice, I would rather they fix the problem that was causing NAV erosion in the first place. I'd even take it one step further, and I would like to see some sort of NAV protection being standard across all of YieldMax. If you agree, sound off in the comments below. If you like this video, you might also enjoy this one here on the screen. Subscribe to join the Cash Flow Club and hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss a single video.